I'm gonna have to tell you, you're gonna have to hold your horses. I know you want to go bearish. I know you want to say this is it, Chicken Little. The fucking sky is falling. We're in the box. We're in the box within the box. How about that? Gotta be careful. We're below the 10, yes. Curl down, yes. Below the 10 and the 50, haven't even broke the 50 yet. Okay, 50 has been a pretty significant, once it has broken below, but gotten back up. Broken below, got back up. Broken below, back up. And it's gotten back up. So we want to see what's going on this weekly. Again, I told you the divergence yesterday is on the weekly MACD, and which one is going to be more powerful? Daily, okay, which it looks like it's curling down. But we got to see some follow through. We got to get some follow through. We got to get the fuck out this box. We need to get out this box because this box is killing us. This is killing us for follow through. I haven't held shit overnight because I'm just nervous. Like, God damn, if I hold this apple overnight, hold this, is it going to give me the follow through? And a lot of stuff hasn't, because yesterday it looked like, all right, now we need 189 and we're good to go to the upside. Yeah, didn't say that today. Gap down and continued and flushed down. Dow closed down about 128. S&P down almost 1%, 16. Nasdaq down 1.38%. So a lot of those tech names got beat up, which you will see shortly. On the QQQ, we had this rooftop hat thing that I created, and we have these lower highs, and it's back below that, and we want to see some follow through. MACD curling, kind of flattish. We just want to see some damn follow through. But the 10 is below the 50, so we still have some hope to get some type of trend to go on right here. Weekly, we can see that we're testing the 10, bearish MACD currently so far. These price levels are going to be key. We have the Russell. The Russell, out of all of them, looks really big. The weekly, you can see it's one, 2. It's still, this downtrend is in play, and it is what it is, and it's testing this 200, dancing, and lost the dance, slipped, bust his ass, and fell. So we got to see if it's going to continue to go down, or is it going to be a hammer back to all highs and annoying crap that we've been seeing. Just chop. IWM, we can see, yes, volume follow through finally to the downside a little bit. Channel playing, just pop. DI diamonds, again, top. We thought get above these 66 levels and we're good to go. We just have to be careful. This has, again, a MACD crossover to the downside as well, and the weekly is bearish MACD as well, but it's still in this damn box. So we just have to see what's going on with that. Let's look at some names. Apple fade a little bit. I don't look at this as a bearish chart at all. Again, we got to see some type of breakdown because it's just moving pretty good. I think it just caught, unfortunately, a lot of bulls, late bulls in, and it pretty much got them out. You got the Google, doesn't look good. Testing the 200 in this channel. You have Tesla. I shorted this one today, and look like it can continue tomorrow. Let's see. I know we have earnings that are going to be announced after tomorrow, I believe. Solar City, that one again is at these previous levels. We have to see if this is going to hold, but does not look good for an engulfing pattern. Well, close to engulfing pattern, but increased volume. MACD not giving you the same thing, which is annoying. So we just have to see what's going on. Facebook looks like, again, this one got beat up today. Twitter been getting this. They've been taking this shit to the woodshed. It's down 17, almost 18% today alone. Amazon, this is one I shorted again today. It definitely paid well. I probably left a lot of money on the table, but it is what it is. Tomorrow's a new day. Can't look at it like this because a lot of stuff has just been really, really crazy regarding the markets. Let's look at Microsoft. It looked good for a little bit, but getting back to being same old Microsoft. Bearish MACD, maybe, Chase would be right here right now, but I would be very cautious of that. Banking sector, this does not look good at all. No good. Okay. Maybe testing this pivot, but this is not a good sign right here. Goldman Sachs, not a good sign right here. We got Citigroup, not a good sign. So this banking sector is more concerning to me than anything. We got Wells Fargo. Out of all of them, that one was looking pretty good yesterday. Maybe it's at the bottom of like this, still, still has a lower high currently. So we have to see what's up with Prudential. Not a good sign. So we have to see what's going on. MACD is divergent, so you kind of just have to be cautious with Prudential. But again, the big names, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, Citigroup, Morgan Stanley, testing the 200, JP Morgan. These names are something that you got to be aware of. And this, this is not a good look at all. This is not good. So we just have to see what's happening with these names. But they're getting beat up, and they're getting beat up pretty damn good. So be very, very cautious that that's going to pull down that SPY, which is the big money maker. So keep that in mind. Trade with caution. Do not get overly bearish. Please don't get overly bearish. Just like you don't get overly bullish. Again, we go back to what we were originally talking about. We are still in this range. So don't start foaming at the mouth and getting chubby in the pants for no damn reason, and then find out your date ain't coming to the prom. So be careful. Take care.